Our top focus story. Within 2 weeks, there have been two massive fuel price hikes. Your ride has just got costlier. A fuel bomb, second in 2 weeks, hits the Aam Aadmi Party today. The Modi government hikes petrol prices by 3.13 rupees a litre and diesel by 2.71 per litre with effect from midnight. This is the second fuel price hike in a fortnight and it impacts your commute, your commodities. The stage looks set for bigger fuel hikes, given the loud opposition in the last time the prices were raised as well. Of course, a lot of criticism coming in from the opposition, but a massive fuel hike today starting midnight.
There's been a tremendous increase in the prices of petrol and diesel, and petrol prices have risen by more than 3 rupees and diesel by almost 2 rupees 71 paisa. And right now we are in Patna, and obviously the common man is going to suffer because in the last 15 days the prices of petrol has gone up by almost 7 rupees, because a fortnight back the prices of petrol increased by 4 rupees and today it has increased by 3 rupees. Let's get a reaction from people themselves as to what do they think about this steep rise. ये बताइए, जो दाम बढ़ गए हैं इससे कितनी मुश्किल होगी आप लोगों को?
अब क्या बताया जाए इसमें, जो मुश्किल जो होगा तो झेलना ही पड़ेगा। हाँ।
ये बताइए कि जो दाम जो बढ़ गए हैं, करीब 7 रुपए का पेट्रोल की कीमत बढ़ी है पिछले 15 दिनों में।
देखिए क्या है ना कि ये अगर ये ओपन मार्केट में चला गया है, इसमें बढ़ना घटना लगातार लगा रहेगा। तो जिस तरह से अगर कहा जाए कि मोदी सरकार पे घट रहा है, बढ़ रहा है, उस पर इफेक्ट, ऐसा कोई इफेक्ट नहीं है।
मानते हैं क्या कि सरकार का ऑलमोस्ट 1 साल पूरे हो गए, तो ऐसे में आप लोग को झटका लगा?
तभी ठीक है, ऑलमोस्ट पिछले सरकार से अगर देखा जाए तभी ठीक है, क्योंकि अभी भी कम ही रेशियो में, अभी बराबर नहीं हुआ उसके रेशियो के हिसाब से, अभी भी सही है।
लगातार रेट्स कम भी हुए थे बीच?
हाँ बिल्कुल, बहुत ज्यादा हुए थे, लगभग 10 टाइम्स के आसपास। तो अभी थोड़ा सा बढ़ा है, लेकिन सुधर जाएगा, उम्मीद है।
Well, people still believe that they have some hope here. आप बताइए, पेट्रोल की कीमत आज 3 रुपए फिर बढ़ गई है, पिछले हफ्ते 4 रुपए बढ़ी थी, तो टोटल 7 रुपए का
अब बढ़ गई। तो मतलब इसमें गवर्नमेंट, बिहार सरकार का तो कोई इसमें ये नहीं,
सेंटर की बात है, मोदी सरकार की बात।
हाँ, ये तो उनकी भी बात नहीं, ये तो जब डॉलर बढ़ता है तभी पेट्रोल वगैरह का रेट बढ़ता है, ऐसे तो बढ़ता नहीं है।
अभी भी अच्छे दिन आप लोग के आएंगे?
एकदम आएंगे, इनके सरकार में तो अभी तो अच्छा हो रहा है, जहाँ तक हो रहा है अभी तक तो अच्छा ही हो रहा है और आगे अच्छा ही होना चाहिए।
So still people optimistic in the Modi government. They are saying that the prices of petrol, though it has risen, but also in the last few months the prices have come down in a very sharp manner, and that is why they are still hopeful that their अच्छे दिन will definitely come. With camera person Deepak Kumar, this is Rohit Singh in Patna for Headlines Today.
Prices come in effect midnight. It would be astute to get your tanks filled before that. I'm joined on the phone line right now. Our deputy editor, Shiv Arur, joining me live. Shiv, you know, this price rise definitely has ramification, politically more so, keeping in mind that the Modi government completes 1 full year, and one thing that they started off was to fight inflation.
Absolutely, Preeti. This is going to have a huge amount of political blowback. You've already heard RPN Singh react to it. You're going to hear a lot more. In fact, just the day before yesterday, Preeti, the Congress party had held a symbolic protest in central Delhi where some of its leaders used a cycle, came on bicycles till the Congress office as a kind of symbolic show that it was simply unaffordable for people to use, fuel vehicles any longer. Now, let's just put this in perspective for our viewers, because these numbers are big numbers from any perspective you look at. The last fuel price hike announced by the government was on April the 30th. Around the same, same kind of hike rate announced at that time. Now, just about 2 weeks later, and like you rightly pointed out, just a couple of days before the government actually turns 100 in office, a year in office, you've got this second fuel price hike. Cumulatively, this means the petrol price, the price of petrol per litre has gone up in just 2 weeks by 7.09 rupees, Preeti, one of the largest hikes in recent years. And the price of diesel per litre up 5.08 rupees per litre in just the last 2 weeks. So obviously the impact is going to be immediate starting midnight tonight. It means your commute is costlier, goods and services will be costlier, commodities, provisions, everything you can think of that depends on freight is going to be costlier. This is going to have ramifications across the board, both politically and for each and every household across the country. Preeti.
Well, the political ramifications already being felt. On the phone line with us is Akhilesh Pratap Singh from the Congress unit in Uttar Pradesh. Akhilesh ji, ये जो फ्यूल हाइक है, इस पे आपका सबसे पहला क्या प्रतिक्रिया है?
अब अच्छे दिन क्या यही थे जो मोदी जी ने कहे थे, और इसको किसके नसीब से जोड़ा जाए जो मोदी जी कहते जब तेल कम होते थे
जी।
और तीसरी बात ये, जब तेलों के दाम इतने इंटरनेशनल मार्केट में कम हुए तो उसे अपना क्रेडिट लेते हुए उन्होंने पेट्रोलियम प्रोडक्ट पे एक्साइज ड्यूटी जो बढ़ा दी थी, जो फिक्स कर दी थी, कंपैरिजन टू प्राइस जो कम होती थी वो न करके
जी, तो
क्या अब वो जो पैसे उन्होंने रोक रखे थे टैक्स के, मतलब टैक्स जो रोक रखे थे उसमें कुछ रिलैक्स करेंगे कि जिससे जनता को
बहुत धन्यवाद अखिलेश जी for joining us. Understandably, the political blowback already in effect after this price rise where fuel is concerned, and the Modi government, which is completing 1 year this month now, the question of the slogan that they rode on, Achhe Din, being questioned understandably by the Congress. With that.